Here, the homeowners are very fortunate that they have a double pane insulated window that's fairly good quality, but sometimes when you're remodeling, you want to upgrade the windows, and how do you know if you're getting a good energy efficient window?
Now, regardless of the window frame material, whether it's wood, vinyl, or aluminum, the most important thing is, because a window is 90% glass, is the glass, and you want a dual pane window. That means you've got two pieces of glass in the window. That creates an airspace in the middle, and that airspace acts as a buffer between the outside and the inside, keeping your inside much more comfortable.
Well, Christopher, that has worked real well for these homeowners. This is a sunroom that we built a couple months ago, and the homeowners were originally very concerned about a heat buildup or heat gain inside the room with as many windows and doors and transoms and so forth, but it really hasn't been a problem at all, so the glass is working.
That is what's working, but in addition to that, you can put a low E coating on the glass. Now, what that does is it kind of filters the sun's rays out. There are two different types of low E's. One you can use in the north that allows some of the sun's heat to come through. That way you get free heating from the sun in the winter. Then there's a southern version which kind of reflects the sun's heat back out of the house. So you want to keep it cool inside and keeps the sun and the heat outside.
So it sounds like that's an important consideration, the double pane glass, plus, if you can afford it, the low E glass or low E coating inside that.
Correct. And it's really not that expensive. When you look at the energy savings you're going to have, it pretty much pays for itself.
Okay. Now, why has vinyl windows gotten so popular? I mean, I'm seeing them on sunrooms like this, as well as a lot of pretty substantial homes. What's the big advantage?
The big advantage is it's second to only wood in thermal efficiency, because in addition to vinyl being a very low conductor of heat, unlike aluminum, which is a higher conductor of heat, it also has a bunch of air spaces in it, just like the airspace in the glass, keeping the hot air on the outside and the cool air on the inside.
Okay, now what about cost? We talked about other wood frames with wood or clad or aluminum. How does this kind of compare?
Vinyl's less expensive than wood, so it is, as I said, energy efficient, less expensive, but even then within vinyl you can find some more expensive vinyl windows and some less expensive vinyl windows.
Okay, well these are also with the maintenance-free aspect of it, making these homeowners a lot happier.